Umefika place una notice ile kitu ulikuwa nadhani unajua ama umeivia kabisa ujui. Yani you giving your best effort, kila kitu tu inagonga ukuta. Get a chair, let's talk. So I've noticed kwa life yangu na kwa stories za wasi wengine ama hata kwa plots za movie, unaweza kuwa umejituma, kila kitu tu inakunywa maji isongi, alafu ile siku yenye utachora picha ukiwa umelewa ama wimbo ukiwa na homa, hiyo ndio inakuja na kufungulia mlango. Episode 253, why I took a break from music.
The other thing, I also felt like the whole album was wasted because the only song that people picked was Just Milele. Well, I had 11 songs. At the time, I was really struggling with money, to do this and that. And then we were working with RK, and then a few things were not possible to do anymore. Children came in, and they came in
because
very fast.
Now is when no silence. Okay, so you get married what year? 2009? 2008. Okay. Children come 2008.
No, 2009. 2009, I'm pregnant. 2010, then it was complicated. I was unwell. Had eclampsia on both kids. So in a way, it kind of slowed down my life.
Wow.
So my first baby 2010, my second baby 2011.
Whoa.
So that totally slowed down even my vision of music. I was like, wacha nitaimba. And I feel like that was a crazy time. The blessing of kids was awesome, but I wished I could do more then. I tried in between to record, but still the songs they came out, but they didn't do so well. And so I feel like no matter what I was trying then, it quite wasn't working.
Hitting a wall.
It was hitting a wall. So it's like I was feeling like God now had shelved me. I kept saying that. He called me and then he put me in a shelf. And it was a downtime for me, I would say. It's very depressing as a musician when you're not able to do what you love to do.
Most of us know Mercy from her comeback. Alikuwa naimba kitambo. Turns out she was like a big musician. Alikuwa dia ameshinda Groove Awards. And then ikafika place, it's like life was conspiring against her. Ni nini hiyo ilifanya? After amejaribu hivyo vyote, amejituma, yani kila kitu tu inashindikana. Ni nini ilifanya akarudi kuimba?
To Kabarere passed on. When Kabarere passed on, that's when I woke up. That's when I was like, okay, I can die too, So for me, I quite liked Kabarere very much because he was the only person who kept showing up in our house. Knowing that I'm an introvert, people don't come to introverts' houses very often. So he would come, he'd be like, Mkwabi, na come lunch. He would come see the babies when they're born and that sort of thing. And so because of his love, he had an impact on me in the industry. And so when he died is when I was like, okay. And then he kept talking about Still Alive, my producer. He kept saying, you guys need to meet.
Tukianza niliwauliza, mbona zile vitu zenye tunafanyanga half-heartedly ndio zinakujanga zinajipa. Personally, juu ya faith yangu, najua hivyo ndio God ananifunzanga that zile vitu niko nazo na hata kenye nataka kupata, siwezi pata na nguvu zangu. Like, hata kuna hiyo scripture inasemanga, His strength is made perfect in weakness. Kwa hivyo mimi nimejifunza kwa weaknesses zangu na rejoice. Penye God amenisaidia niko na uwezo na penye sina, across the board I am happy because najua God will always come and fill that gap. Mbona kinafuatwa na nyuki? Hii ni perfume, mimi si maua. Nitakumaliza. My encouragement to you, point yangu ya hii video ni kukuambia usiwache. Don't stop. Ukiwa mgonjwa, ukiwa hauna do, ukiwa without external validation, wewe endelea kutengeneza. Keep creating, keep putting whatever it is you're doing. If you're a creator, if you're a creator, if you're an artist, if you're an entrepreneur, whatever it is you're doing, that journey of purpose that you're on, endelea, usiwache. Notice Masika, yani everything is against her. Yani she's been depressed, she's out of the music scene completely. Anaimba nyimbo 11 tunashika moja, anaimba tena hatujui, anaimba tena hatutambui. By the time hata anaimba hii ya mwisho, na uta notice because that's the last clip, by the time anaimba hii ya mwisho hata alikuwa amegive up kabisa. But what was consistent? Aliendelea kuimba. You keep doing what you're doing. Biti Akega alisema, you cannot beat someone who refuses to quit, who doesn't know how to quit. Kitu itakusaidia uendelee it's reconnecting with your purpose. Kwa hii journey ya purpose unafikanga mahali unakuwa distracted, unaanza kupenda results za purpose than the purpose itself. So for example, if you're a creative, one of the results that you get ni the dopamine hit that comes from external validations. Umetrend, comments, likes, huyu msee bana. So unaanza kupenda hizo results. Unasahau the thing that you used to like was just the creative process in itself. So reconnect with that whole reason why you were doing, why do you do what you do. Ukireconnect hapo, hello, yes, distractions kila mahali, but unaona sijaacha kutengeneza video. What was I saying? Finally, as we come to a close, hii ni mwaka yangu ya kuwa an unbothered nonchalant queen. Na hata kama kuna watu kwa comments wamekuwa wakiuliza hii video tunaweza toa wapi, sitakuja hapa niseme hapo unaona pameandikwa cleaning the airwaves. Sitakuja hapa niseme nikianza kila video nasemanga the episode number and the episode title. And for that reason, I am going to explain to you like I'm explaining to a child. Staki violence. Just go on YouTube if you want to watch the rest of this interview. Enda YouTube, andika CTA, andika jina ya mwenye unataka kuona. Kama in this context ni Masi Masika, playlist yake itakuja. CTA inakuanga kila interview imepangwa na playlist. And like I always say, the story is long. Enda ujione alafu tupatane kwa comments.
So I was like, let's see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm fine. I didn't care. So when I did, Mwema actually was the first song we did. It was like, my sister was like, your song ina sound normal, So, when you hear some people when they tell you what they think, you're like, okay, ni sawa tu. So actually, what happened is I'd done so many songs at the time when I was going to shoot Mwema. So I shot an English song. Then the second day we were going to shoot another song. Then we're like, these things are not working. So let's just shoot this one as a by the way. So we did the shoot in like 1 hour, we were done. Because I never took the song seriously. As like tu ni wimbo ingine. But I liked the song, funny enough. Maybe because it was written by Mr. V.
Yeah.
So we did it quickly. I enjoyed. I just danced around there, removed my thing. Amazing enough, that was going to be my breakthrough song. The one that was a joke.